what is the French Revolution? The French Revolution was a sudden political, social, and economic crisis which affected France from about 1788 to about of the clergy, the priests, the members of the royal family, and the Roman Catholic Church. And you must bear in mind that within the first state, Queen Anne's, the Roman Catholic Church, it was mandatory also for you to be a Roman Catholic. We are not allowed to choose any type of religion except the Roman Catholic. Why it was done so that they were going to pay tithe in each as saka chirikuitika tine nobility rikuenjoya imwe haisi kudi kuenjoya but society ndomamira ayo asati ataura kunetsana tangotaura zvaitika. Then pozouya nyaka we have got the third estate. Who were the third estate? Within the third estate kwaiva nainzi commoners and peasants. Who are the commoners? These were just general people, the educated people, the lawyers, the wealthiest. Vanga vasina any political power mu society. So tukuti the third estate was grouped into the middle class. No kwaipinda mabourgeoisie mbinga sana se wikineo. On our breakdown, our first topic is the French Revolution, of which yesterday I have just French Revolution. All right. Saka tiri ku French Revolution ikoko, what we have to know that if the French Revolution it have got phases. So our first and foremost thing is we start about we start about the causes of the French Revolution. After that, we start about the cause. After that, we start about the results. Sakatiri papo tichistart causes, nema results of the French Revolution. And sakatiri papo, what is the French Revolution? The French Revolution was a sudden political, social, and economic crisis which affected France from about 1788 to about 1799. So this was a period which emancipated the manifestation of a revolution or emergence of a radical phase whereby takaona vanhu vakawanda vachiramba government yanga iriko. But tisati taenda kuma causes, what we have to know ndezvekuti tisati taenda kuma causes French Revolution tinofana kuziva chinonzi France and the eve of the revolution. France and the eve of the revolution. When we are discussing about the eve, we are analyzing what happened before the French Revolution came into existence. Saka zvakamboitika before tisati tanzi tane French Revolution kana before satanzi ano vanhu vakutanga kunomukira government. So many candidates ndikudzai mimi nhasi aneka first day kutanga kwegore kudai vanofunga kuti patinotanga kutongoti causes French Revolution yatotanga, which is wrong. French Revolution haitange patinoti causes. French Revolution inozotanga kumberi patieta kuti inonzi cause. Here tiri kustada mamiriro anga akaita society revolution isati yako. Tapedza tozotsvaga kuti saka chakazomboita kuti munhu azoti inini handichade kuramba ndichitongwa naLouis XVI. Remember, I've said in France tisati tabata the eve kwaiva neainzi a monarchy, a type of government whereby the king have got absolute powers. And there was no voting system in France. It was only the king and his family who hold all political power, and all the jurisdiction was within their hands. Sakatiri papo, the French society was divided into 3 social classes. Sakatavana in the first estate. Within the first estate here, and the members of the royal family, and the clergy, and all church priests. Saka manotsi enyu ari kuti it was made up of the clergy, the priests, the members of the royal family, and the Roman Catholic Church. And you must bear in mind that within the first state, Queen Anne's, the Roman Catholic Church, it was mandatory also for you to be a Roman Catholic. We are not allowed to choose any type of religion except the Roman Catholic. Why it was done so that they were going to pay tithe in each as we pass. Also, it included 13,000 priests and few archbishops. Mune royal family. Mune royal family. Mune archbishops. Mune archbishops. Mune futi ma priests. Mu first state, vanhu ava ndo vari kucontrola economy yese vachinjoya the most privileges. Twiran, tapedza ipapo, it was not subject to ordinary taxation. These people vese vakadai, they were not paying tax. They were not in line with the tax payment in any other form of payment. But briefly, either I sold the tax, either I lend the tax, but no one may lend the account, no one may marry, as vice a pay my tax, vice a pay my tithe. Twitter, the Interpret it was a governing institution. This organization was a state within a state. The Roman Catholic Church cannot cheat, it was a state within a state, as according to T.A. Morris. It means that it had a sort of an institution yaitobatsira kugavhena vanhu. Ichaitova chiorganization chainge chaitoudzira first family kuti tonga so king ita so. Taurirana ndo mamirira zvazvo akaita, and they collected all tithe and they enjoyed all the privileges. Are we together? Then moving on, tobva tazotsvagurudza kuti komu second state manga muinani. Within the second state, it was made up of what we call the nobility. And these nobilities were divided into two. We have what we call the nobility of the robes and the nobility of the swords. The nobility of the robes is kana tikapa example muZimbabwe ndo vakafanana na commander in chief of the army. Vane vangori nemabhacha avo ane nyembe. The nobility of the roads ndo mashefa aya unoona anenge akaisa maswords, anenge achifamba nemaswords. Andika toda kuimagine power. Then we place the king as the president. Tapedza takadaro. So tikuti isusu, it was the most privileged state, but it was made up of two. So tikuti taiva nevainzi the old nobility. Andika ndo the nobility of the robes. They enjoyed most privileges, and above all, they were not taxed. Vaisapaya tax. And ndo vaiva nema privileges. Then the nobility of the swords, they were less privileged to an extent that some of them they were supporters of the revolution in the future. Why? They were resented to certain privileges. For example, most they envied greater nobility for their exclusion from social and political life. So the nobility of the swords, they were not allowed to be involved in politics. They were just individuals. Vaingonzi mimi murima soja gumira ikoko. Tapedza ipapo, they were the wealthiest class with the most privilege. Varikutaurwa is the greater nobility. Ava the lesser nobility ava vanga vasinga vaitopaya salt tax, some of them, and some of them they were not given the right to hunt or to fish. It was not allowed. Waisangoraura ngomuka uchiraura hove zvaitoda privilege. But guess what? Hanzi zoni, they had monopoly of highest offices in the administration of the church and the state. Kana tichiti manobility vane monopoly of the highest offices. Kana tichiti vane monopoly of the highest offices. Kumonopoliza kureva kuti vana ava havana mumwe munhu avanobvumidza kutora highest rank, which means kana ari brigadier anozvara mwana wake automatically ari ngori brigadier. Haubvumidzwe iwo kujoina army inojoinwa nevanhu vagara vari muistate imomo. Tapedza izvozvo hanzi they were excluded to exclusive taitaurai politically lesser nobility, they wanted a greater vaida kutonga the local government. asi vairambidzwa. Saka chiri kuitika, tine nobility iri kuenjoya, imwe haisi kudi kuenjoya, but society ndomamira ayo. Asati tataura kunetsana, tangotaura zvaitika. Then pozouya nyaka we have got the third estate. Who were the third estate? Within the third estate, kwaiva nainzi commoners and peasants. Who are the commoners? These were just general people, the educated people, the lawyers, the wealthiest. Vanga vasina any political power mu society. So tukuti the third estate was grouped into the middle class. No kwaipinda bourgeoisie mbinga sana se weeknew. Saka they represented 10% of the population, and they owned about 1/5 of land. Land up. It was made up of bankers, merchants, manufacturers, and some part of the lawyers. Those are right. But namo vaingosurwawo nema-political burdens nechise vamwe nekupeya taxes echise vamwe. Then to end up urban craftsmen and laborers. These were the poorest people within the third estate. They included journeymen. Saka uku kwaiva nevainzi the journeymen. Kwaiva futi nevaita apprentice. Nevamwe vainzi the sun-cloths. Who were the sun-cloths? The sun-cloths, these were individuals who existed within the French society. But their name, the sun-cloths, existed within the perception yekuti vaipfeka zvimashoti nema-uniform ngema-uniform emafomu hana andika zvimakaki nechiye paseke 5 ndo zvavaipfeka. Saka sun-cloth raiva zita dunhurirwa, but vanhu havaitambudzika. Mukutambudzika kwavo ikoko, they started to institute or they started to pressurize kuti isusu todawo land, isusu tikudawo kuwana mabasa, takadzidza isusu tikuda zvakati. And this have angered most of the people, zvakazoita kuti vasvike pakunorwisana. Who were the majority manje? Kwaiva nevarombo vekupedzisira vaingonzi the peasants. Andika then included 23 million within the total population. Yaiva nevanhu 29 million. Andika some they say 25. So the third estate demanded legal, social and political privilege. Ukunzwa zvandataura, vaidemanda vese ma-third estate legal, social and political privilege. Kana tichiti political privilege, they were crying for voting system. They were no longer in support of the absolute monarchy. Socially, they also wanted kuti vawane ma-social privilege akafanana. Remember, vanhu vemu-third estate vaitorwa vachinoshandiswa kumaprazi. Mahara andika they were kwakune forced labor. They were being forced kushanda mumaprazi evanhu, vaiforced kupeya tithe, varivo vari less vachipeya, they were paid less, and they were heavy burden of tax payment upon their shoulders. Saka vaiti aiwa isusu kana muchiti tiri vanhu vakafanana, vanhu ava vakatanga kuti aiwa imimi ngatichipeya tax tese. Andika also they were against taxation, payment of tithe, they were left unfairly, and also they took most of their income. The most oppressive and irritating obligation they had was their exclusive fishing and hunting rights. Vairambidzwa futi kuraura, vairambidzwa kufisha. Also all their grains in which they were going to pound within the mayoral bakery or mayoral presses, they were heavily penalized by the landlords. Sezvo ndakakuexplainera kuti waenda nemugomo wako wewheat, bozi kuFrance chingwa ndo step of yavo anything chabekwa. Andika waenda nemugomo wako wewheat wobva wanzi magaba 2 ndo wako chienda kumba apa wabhadhara futi. Also, it was a heavy burden to them. So their aspiration was ownership of more land. Vaida ofuti freedom. Vaida kuwana land, vaida freedom. And also vaisadama minoral obligations. When you are talking about minoral obligations and limitation, pane tumwe tuntu vairambidzwa vavasina freedom of speech, vanga uona zvesezvo vanga vasingakwanisa kuraura, vasingakwanisa kuita sei. And also they wanted a lower tax payment. Andika ndo zvavaida izvozvo, also nekusapeya land tax. Saka apa patiri apa hatisati tataura revolution, tiri kungotsanangura mararamiro aita vanhu pai muFrance.